Vanuatu Skills Partnership is a globally led initiative between the governments of Vanuatu and Australia. For over a decade, we have been building the national skills system together, enabling people from all over the country to have access to recognized skills training and industry coaching to grow businesses and gain employment. Faced with the dual crisis of COVID-19 and tropical cyclone Harold, the partnership has expanded its work to become a key recovery mechanism for the government of Vanuatu. Across all provinces, we are pivoting training delivery to improve food security and equip communities and businesses with new in-demand skills, particularly in agribusiness and health sector. We are also assisting local businesses to access new markets in a changing world, domestically and internationally. And because good governance is at the heart of our nation's stability, we are increasing our focus on fostering adaptive and inclusive leadership skills across all levels of government. And finally, because we want to build back better, we are working in ways that make sure that no one is left behind, regardless of gender, disability or geography. With international border closure and limited supply chain, food security has become the #1 priority for many communities.
We were fortunate to work quite well with the provincial government and the Department of Agriculture to be able to set up vegetable nurseries to be able to address food security issues. Through this exercise, we were able to reach 900 households participated in this activity of planting vegetables. We also found out from this exercise that there was lack of access to vegetable seeds, so we decided to start up a project on working with farmers to produce seeds, and to us that's building the resilience of our community.
Emi help me belum become also one businessman, belum provide them service belum necessary full area belum notice.
Handicraft production has been a growing income stream for many rural women. However, this has been partly affected by COVID-19 and the collapse of the tourism market. Working closely with the Department of Industry, we are supporting rural producers to increase their domestic market share, as well as facilitating access to new international markets.
With the help of ESP, he helped me create one company where me call them Sanma Creative Industry Community Company Limited. And with the company, I got one export. Remember, I make go outside. Despite the crisis of COVID-19 with MTC Harold, I have a export to go outside.
The advent of COVID-19 has reinforced how critical it is that communities have access to safe and reliable clean water and sanitation. Working with our partners in the Department of Water Resources, the Australian Pacific Training Coalition and Torquil Rural Training Centre, we have enabled for the very first time New Vanuatu in rural areas to gain internationally recognized plumbing training qualifications.
Milanem full of something where mi service by benefiting all family plumbing time go back community. Look at one good, clean, healthy water.
In times of crisis, it is more important than ever that we prioritize protecting the most vulnerable. From its beginnings, the Vanuatu Skills Partnership has worked to build a national skills system for all New Vanuatu, regardless of gender, disability or location. We are ensuring no one is left behind in gaining skills needed for recovery and resilience.